Good morning, all. I welcome everybody to my session. Okay, so this is 12th batch morning session. Let me introduce myself first. Okay, before starting the session, let me introduce myself. So this is Natraj. People call me Raj. I'm from Hindupur. I'm having total 11.7 years of, that means 11 and a half years experience into Informatica. So from 2008 to till date, I'm working as an Informatica developer. So I have worked in several companies. So I have worked in HCL Technologies Bangalore, Step2 Technologies Hyderabad, Capgemini Bangalore, Dell Bangalore. Currently, I am working in HTC Global Services Bangalore. Okay. So I welcome all you people for 12th batch morning session. This is 12th batch morning session. Okay. So this is about myself. Okay. So let's start the session. Okay. So I welcome you all again. Okay. So as I said we are learning Informatica PowerCenter in this training. We are learning Informatica PowerCenter in this training. Okay. So, and coming to the batches, we have two batches on daily. Morning 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. Morning 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. and evening 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. Evening 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. So these are the batches we have. Okay. Give me 1 second, please. Give me 1 second. Yes. Okay. Yeah. I hope who paid for the training, they have all got the installation links. Who already paid for the training, they have already got the installation links. Okay. So you need to install Informatica before Monday. From Monday onwards, the working sessions will start. So before Monday, we have 2 days. Okay. So please install Informatica in your system. Okay. The minimum requirement is Windows 6. Minimum system requirement is 6 GB RAM. So Windows 8, 10, 11, these three will support. Windows 7 will not support. And minimum 6 GB RAM should be there. If it is 8 GB, then it will be good. It will be more good. Okay. So I have already shared the links to you. If I don't share you, I'll share you again. I'll share with you in the group again. Okay. So please install Informatica. I have shared the video. Okay. You have to install first yourself. Watch the video and install yourself first. If you are facing any problem, then please text me, text to my WhatsApp so that my team will help you. Okay. That is about installation. So if it is having any processor is fine, i3, i5, i7, any processor is fine. Okay. But the minimum system requirement is 6 GB RAM and starting with Windows 10, Windows 8. Okay. Windows 8, 10 or 11. These three will support. Okay. So please install Oracle first, then install Informatica. So step-by-step video, whichever I have created, I will share it with you. So please go through that and install it. Okay. That is about installation. Okay. Next. So on daily basis, what you will get it on daily basis as you paid for the training, what you will get it. Okay. From my training. Okay. Daily one zip file, you will get it like this. So if you see daily one zip file, you will get it like this. I'll send the Google Drive link. Okay. So, or I'll put these folders in the Google Drive. So daily, suppose session 1. Okay. If you see the session 1, so you will get whatever I'm showing on the screen today, session 1, you will be getting like this PPT, notes, okay, or Excel sheet. If you see the session 2, same. See, whatever I am showing you, I'll be sending everything to you. Whatever you are seeing on the screen, you will be getting after the end of the session, after completion of the session. I will share the Google Drive link to you. You can open the Google Drive link. You can open the Google Drive link, okay, and you can download it. Okay, 1 second, let me clear it. So please don't write anything. Let me clear it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That is about what you will get on daily basis. Okay. So whatever I show you on the screen. Okay. So if you can't able to hear my voice, so please rejoin the session, rejoin Zoom. Okay. If you're unable to, 1 second, let me tell them. Okay. Who are unable to join, please rejoin the session. Yeah, okay. Who are unable to join only. Okay. That's about this. Okay. So whatever I show in the class, in the session, those things you will get it as a as a file, as a folder after the session. Okay. Now, the most important thing is, okay, this is my 12th batch. It's not my first batch. I have seen many people, okay, till now. At least I have seen 1400 plus people. I have seen 1400 plus people till now. Okay. So I started my first batch. I have started my first batch in May 2021. Okay, with 9 people. With 9 people at 9 o'clock, 9:30 a.m. morning. Okay. So later they referred they referred others. Okay. And first batch I completed with 25 people. Second batch 34 people. Third batch 65 people. Fourth batch 84. Fifth batch onwards 100 plus. Seventh batch onwards 150 plus. Ninth batch onwards, next 12th, 11th batch onwards 200 plus. Here also almost till today, we have got 150 payments till now. Okay. So still there are many people who wanted to join. Okay. So the basic thing you need to understand is, number one, you have to listen carefully. In these 2 hours, you have to sit in a calm room, lock your room, put your mobiles in silent. Okay. And please listen whatever I say. Okay. If you listen whatever I say, 60% you will get the job. If you listen and understand whatever I say, okay, 60% you will get the jobs for sure. I'm saying. So listening is very important. Listening, not only just listening and understanding is very important, please. So again and again, I'm saying, because I have seen many people till now, okay, they will be talking in between with their family members. Okay, they will be talking with their phone. Otherwise, they will be watching TV. They'll be joining in office meeting, and they'll be listening there, and they'll be listening here also. So don't do all those things, please. If you do all those things, you will miss the sessions. If you miss the sessions, you will not understand the next session. Whatever the 30 sessions I will tell, 30 to 32 sessions. Okay, I will tell 30 sessions maximum, 30 or whatever it will. We'll think that 30 sessions. If you don't understand the first session, you will not understand second session. If you don't understand second session, no third session. So every session is linked to another session. Okay. So again, why I am repeating again and again? Because I wanted all my candidates to get the job. Normally, if you go to any institute, suppose there are 50 people. In those 50 people, if they get one people got the job, one guy got a job, then they will think that the training is success. No. But if I have 200 people, at least 150 people should get the jobs. At least 70% people should get the jobs. Okay. So if you want to get the jobs, first you have to struggle yourself. First you have to listen. The only thing is you have to listen, please. So please understand carefully. Listen first, then understand carefully, then practice. Okay. So always, again, number two is always watch the session in laptop or desktop. Don't watch in the mobile, please. If you watch in the mobile today, it's fine, not a problem. But from Monday, if you watch in the mobile, I'll be doing the mappings and all. The screen will be very low. You cannot understand, you cannot visible what I do. Okay. So don't join in the mobile. Number two, the most important thing. Number one, be in a calm place and listen and understand whatever I'm saying. Don't unmute yourself simply. Simply you will be unmute and you will be keeping quiet. In between, if anybody speak, then others will disturb. So first of all, don't unmute. Mute. If you want to ask any question, unmute, ask. I have given the access to unmute. Everybody, I have given the access to unmute. So unmute, ask the question, then mute yourself. That is the basic things you need to do, please. Okay. That is a basic thing. So please watch in laptop only. And what I will cover in this training, as you have seen my advertisements, this is Informatica online, real-time, job-based, practice-based training. Okay. That means this is online training, no offline training with me, only online training. I don't have any institute. Okay. I can proudly say that without an institute, I'm getting 250 people. Okay. So people are struggling, okay, with the institute and online both, they're not getting 50 people also. Okay. So why? Because people are getting the jobs, because they are doing hard work, because they are listening properly, they are practicing properly, they are getting the jobs. So that's the count on us. So what is this training? Is it's a job-based, pure real-time place. See, I'm currently working. Okay, I'm having 11 years experience, and I'm currently working. That means, okay, whatever I have faced in these 11 years, okay, or whatever the experience I got in these 11 years, I will share with you. Okay, so it's a pure means pure real time. I will not waste a single minute in these 70 hours. I will tell 30 into 60. Normally, I will tell 60 to 75 hours or more than 75 hours, maybe. Total sessions will be 60 to 80 hours, I will tell. If you count exactly, it will take 60 to 80 hours. Okay. In these 60 to 80 hours, I will not waste single minute also. Every minute is important. Every minute is a real-time concept. So have some confidence on you, okay, and listen carefully, practice carefully, do the hard work, and get the jobs. Okay. Next, what and all I will cover in the training. Number one, Oracle SQL basics, whatever required for Informatica. Informatica PowerCenter basics to advanced. The version we are going to learn here is 10.2.0. Actually, the current version is 10.5.0, but 10.2.0 is a stable version. In real time, they're using the same. Few people using 10.4.0. There are nothing much difference. Okay, all are same. Next, Unix basics commands, which are required for Informatica. Then mini project. You will do a mini project in this training. I will ask you to do. If you complete the mini project, and if you are not getting the job, then ask me. You completed the mini project and you tried for the interview. If you don't get the job, then ask me. If you don't complete the mini project, don't ask me. And number two, I am not giving any job guarantee in these sessions. In the training, I am not giving any job guarantee, but still people are getting the jobs. In any other training, they will give the job guarantee, but they will not get the jobs. In any other trainings, 100% job guarantee, they will put it, right? By seeing that you will join. What they will do ultimately, they will do proxy, they will do job support. Maybe 1 or 2 months, you can survive. After that, you will come out because you don't have proper knowledge. You don't have proper practice. So you should not believe whoever told that 100% job guarantee. 100% job guarantee, nobody can give. Why? Because, okay, if I give 100% job guarantee you will think that whether I listen or not listen, I will get the job. If you listen or not listen, suppose if you don't listen, you cannot practice. If you can't practice, you will not get experience. If you don't get experience, ultimately you should work when you go to the real time. How many months you can survive? 1, 2, maximum 3 months. After that, for sure you will come back. So what I am saying, I am not asking you to join my session. Join any training, please. Who will give the best knowledge to you, best experience to you? Not like 100% job guarantee, please. 100% job guarantee is a trash, I'm saying, because I have many people who joined that kind of training and they came back and they joined training. They learned well, okay, and they got the jobs. So before going to real time, first understand the basics, practice the basics, then practice the advanced, then go to real time. Then you can survive next your life. So without learning anything, don't go to anywhere, please. If you want to do a software job, suppose you want to join an Informatica. First, go to it. I'm saying, no need to join my training only. If you feel that any training is better than my training, you can go there also. But what you should expect from them is, you should expect a best training, best real-time training you should expect. That's it. If they are ready to provide, you can join them. Okay. So don't believe on proxies. Don't believe on job supports, please. Okay. So proxy, the problem with the proxies are, okay, proxy means what? Behalf of you, any other guy will take the interview behalf of you and he will give the offer letter to you. Then what is your, in that, what is your importance? You cannot say, suppose Okay, you came to me. I normally, if you see Amirpet, suppose if you go to Amirpet in Hyderabad, almost 100% people, they will say, we will give proxy, we'll give job support. Nobody will say that, please join with us, we'll give the best training. Nobody will tell. Everybody will tell what? Proxy job support, proxy job support. With proxy job support, maybe you will get the job temporarily, but not permanently. Okay. So don't depend on the proxies, don't depend on the job supports. You should depend on yourself. You should not depend on anyone. Okay. So please understand this and don't pay lakhs for proxy. In this training, for 15,000, you will get the jobs. Don't worry. The only thing is, number one, listen. Number two, practice. Number three, hard work. Number four, mini project. If you do these four things, I will see why you will not get the job. Okay. So I will cover the mini project. You have to do mini project. I will give the resume for you, for each and every person. Based on your experience, I will give the resume and I will give the interview questions. So from past 11 batches, I have 100 screenshots I have. They are written the interview questions, whichever they faced. Okay. They have sent to me. I'll send those interview questions. If you prepare those interview questions, that is more than enough. Okay. But by hearting interview questions will not help you. You have to understand the answers and you have to express in the interview. And job decisions means how you need to apply for the jobs, where you need to apply for the jobs, how effectively you can crack the jobs. In interview, how to crack the job easily, how to present yourself effectively. Those things I will cover in this training. That means in this training, you will get it from start to end. That means if a person don't have anything on software knowledge, he don't have anything on software knowledge, but he know what is laptop, he know how to operate laptop, he can get a job. Like that, till now 800 plus people got the jobs. Okay, from till 10 batches, okay, 11th batch, next they will start till 10 batches, almost 700 to 800 plus people. Daily I will get 2 screenshots. Daily I will get 2 people, they'll ping me, okay, that I got 2 offers, 3 offers, 4 offers. Nobody will tell me that I got only 1 offer. Very few people will tell that I have got one offer. Okay, either people will tell that, okay, I got offer in first attempt itself. Okay, or 2 offers, 3 offers, 4 offers. Same way, you will also get it. Okay, you should have that confidence. Yes, I can do it. If you have that confidence, you can easily get a job for sure. Okay, so don't worry about it. Now, next one is I have created a WhatsApp group for 12th batch. I have created a WhatsApp group for 12th batch. So that WhatsApp group is for only Informatica related stuff. No good morning messages, no good evening messages, no festival related messages, no happy birthday messages, no anniversary messages, please. Okay. Only related to our group. This is related to dedicated to our group who are paid. Okay. So daily, whatever you are doing the mappings, you can post the screenshots. If you have any doubts in the installation, you can ask. If you have any mapping doubts, you can ask. And about the sessions, you will get the updates. All those things, you will get the updates in the 12th batch WhatsApp group. And also I have consolidated Telegram group because WhatsApp will allow only 255. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, till now 150 people got joined. Okay, so if this batch goes beyond 255, I'll create a Telegram group. I'll remove the WhatsApp group. Okay, because WhatsApp will allow only 255 people. Okay, so the consolidated group means from batch 1 to 10, from batch 1 to 12 people, all my candidates only my candidates, they will be in the Telegram group. Okay, so that, okay, many people every year, sorry, every batch, at least 10 people from US will be joining from my now at US, UK, and also I got the people from US, UK. Nowadays, the Nigeria or somewhere, okay, 2-3 people joined. Okay, they are very much satisfied and they are referring others. Okay, because it's an online training, anybody can join anywhere from anywhere. Okay, so globally, people are joining. Yes, few people from Australia, Singapore, most of the people from US. At least per batch, 10 people will be there from US. Okay, and UK also. Okay, so there are many country people, other but maximum from India. Okay, because we are focusing maximum on India. Okay, that is about consolidated Telegram group. Next is, I will create the practice sessions for you, practice groups. Okay, I'll create, okay, practice groups. Okay, from today, practice groups means, okay, what are these practice groups means? I will create 5 to 6 WhatsApp groups. What are those? 9 to 12 a.m., 12 to 10 p.m., 12 to 10 p.m., 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, like that. Suppose there are 10 people, there are 10 people who are, one second, please. Give me 1 second. Yeah. Okay. So what you need to do is you have to join. Suppose 10 people are free from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. daily basis. Okay. So they are free from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay. They can join in that WhatsApp group. Don't join in all WhatsApp groups. Okay. They can join in these WhatsApp groups. Okay. And and they can practice. That means how can they can practice? They'll create a Zoom link. They will create a Zoom link. Okay. And they will share their screen and they will discuss themselves. Okay, today one mapping is completed. Suppose today one mapping is completed. So what they will do? They will discuss on the mapping. They will do the mapping in front of those 10 people one by one, and the other people will be helping those people. And you should speak only English in that. You should speak only English in that session. Suppose there are 10 Telugu speaking people in this batch. Don't speak Telugu. Okay, speak English only, because when you go to real time, sometimes, okay, maybe your colleagues are Telugu speaking people only, maybe, but meetings at least you should understand. You should speak English. So simple English is fine. Just normal English, whatever you do, WhatsApp messages English, that English is more than enough. Okay, so try to speak English and practice well. Okay, so this is about practice groups. Okay, so you have to join the practice, because practicing alone or practicing in the groups, okay, that will be so much of different. Okay, if you stuck somewhere, some people will help you. If nobody help you, I'll be there to help you. Don't worry about it. Okay, so because these practice sessions are very successful. Okay, I have seen in the maybe 2 days back, 2 days back, what happened, one girl has texted me. Okay, what? She is from my ninth batch. Okay, so there are almost in ninth batch there are 170 people. I will give the opportunity to give the doubts, ask the doubts. Please wait till then. I will ask you, do you have any doubts? You can ask any number of doubts. There is no limit for doubts. Don't worry. Okay. So what I'm saying is, day before yesterday, recent one I'm saying, recent successful. Because of this practice sessions, what happens? I will tell you. Okay, what happened? So last uh, 3 days back, she called me. Okay, and she told that from ninth batch we were 10 girls. 10 girls were there. We joined in one of the practice session, and daily we were discussing about your mappings, whatever you said about the notes, about the PPT, everything we were discussing on these 35 days. After that, we discussed about the interview questions, shared the interview questions with everyone, and all those things we have done, and we got the jobs. Okay, all 10 people got the jobs. In the group, all the 10 people got the jobs. Luckily, 2 girls joined in TCS Bangalore. Same office. Okay. They in Bangalore they have met each other, and they send a pic to our group, ninth batch group. Okay. So that means if you practice, if you join in a group, those should be simply joining is not it's waste of time. Okay. You have to join the group, and you need to ask the people who are free at what time. Accordingly, you should make friends with them. Accordingly, okay, you should practice. So we have almost 150 people. You have all the numbers. We are all well matured people. Okay, we are not college school kids or college kids. We are not teenagers. Okay, we are all matured people. Okay, in our training. Okay, so you know what is good, what is bad. You make a healthy relationship to everyone, because if you make friends, suppose all 150 people, if it is offline training, if you come to my institute, at least 10 people will form a group and they'll make friends. Okay, same way here also you have all the numbers. So ping them, okay, ping them, call them, okay, and ask them, okay, where you are staying. Okay, see, the most important thing is I will send after this session, I will send this kind of Excel sheet. Okay, this kind of Excel sheet to you after this session. What is Excel sheet is like this. Okay, once you get the enrollment IDs, I'll give the enrollment IDs. Enrollment ID, okay, enrollment ID, name, okay, native place, name, native place, and enrollment ID, name, native place, currently staying at where, currently staying at, okay, currently staying at where you want, currently staying at where, which city, that's it. Okay, enrollment ID, name, native place, currently staying at. Okay, so you please send this information to me. Suppose two people are in Hyderabad, maybe they are next to home. Okay, you don't know, one guy, okay, joined my training next to my apartment. I don't know him at all. I did not see him. Okay, in Bangalore, I was staying in one apartment, okay, one flat. He joined my training, okay, and he was in next apartment only. Okay, so maybe the people are there next to your home or very near to you, then meet them. Okay, in Hyderabad, suppose JNTU, there are 3 people are staying. Meet them on the daily basis or weekly basis and discuss about the training and discuss about the interview questions and discuss it like that, so that you can easily get a job. Okay, you don't know all the 10 people, 10 girls have got the jobs because they referred one girl got the job first. She asked her HR, do you have any opening? Then she told that we have 2 openings, 2 girls she referred. In that, one girl got placed. Then she again asked the HR in other company. She got like that. There will be so much of advantages when you form a group, and always group study will be good at this age, I am saying. Okay, so make friends and make it successful, please. Okay, so that's about practice sessions. Okay, now the only thing, Informatica, if you want to get a job, number one, listen, then practice. There is no shortcut for this. You have to spend 2 hours for training, at least 2 to 3 hours for practice. If you don't have time, then half an hour at least you practice. If you have time, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours. There is no limit to practice. So please practice, practice, practice. Okay. You should see, please. If you are joining my training means, okay, you should be able to select in the first interview. Select in the first interview. When you do all these things, what are those? If you listen properly, practice on day-to-day basis. If you practice whatever the tasks are given on time, on the daily basis, if you complete the mini project, if you complete all the tests which are present in website, if you read and understand all my PPT and notes, if you complete all my exercises, whatever the homework I have given to you, if you complete all those things, then you should be able to get the job on the first interview itself. If you are not selecting, means you are not doing any one of these things. You are not following any one of these things. 35 days, just focus on the training. Don't go anywhere, no trips, no functions, nothing. Just 35 days. I need to get a job. Without job, I cannot survive. I want a job. Think like that. Leave all your worries. Okay, join day by day. Every day you join the session, practice that day, then you will get the job for sure. Don't miss a session, please. Okay, so please don't miss the sessions. Okay, next, the next thing is you have to, as I told you, these 2 things are very important. We have only, if I talk about subjects, Informatica, Oracle, Unix, only 3 subjects. That too, Unix is very minor, and major are Informatica and Oracle. Informatica and Oracle, both are same importance. If you want to get a job in Informatica, you should know both Informatica and Oracle, because Informatica will work backend database only. So Oracle is very important. Okay. After that, 1 second, I'm getting a call. Give me 1 second, please. Yeah. Okay. So Just 2 subjects in 35 days. 2 subjects in 35 days, you can easily, 35 to 40 days, you can easily learn practice. Okay, because maybe you people all came from BE, BTech background or MC, MBA, any degree, BSc, BCom, BA. Okay, any degree, B Pharmacy people also got the jobs. From my training, B Pharmacy people got the jobs, BA people got the jobs, BCom people got the jobs, BBA people got the jobs. Okay, you are no exception for that, please. You will also get a job. Okay, in BET, BTech, at least 50 plus subjects will be there. MC, MBA, 20 plus subjects will be there. Degree, 15 plus subjects will be there. What you are doing there, you are understanding you are listening there, you are understanding the concepts, then you are practicing them, then you are writing on the paper, then you got 70% or 80%. So when you are able to learn and pass with 70% or 50%, whatever the percentage, you passed or not is a matters. Okay. Okay. So if you are able to do these things, why can't you do these things? It's a simple thing. Okay. Informatica is very easy. If first of all, Informatica is very easy. It's not so tough. Okay. So if any complex scenarios are there, I will make you easy. I'll understand you. I'll explain you in a easiest manner. Okay. So please focus on the training. So because you paid for it, 15,000 is not a small thing. Okay. 15,000 because you have struggled a lot to get that 15,000. You should not waste the money and time. More than money, time. Daily 2 hours you are investing on Informatica means you should get the job. You must get the job on Informatica. Okay. So keep that in mind and then practice more. Okay. So as I told you, please practice 1 hour on Informatica, at least 1 hour on Informatica, 1 hour on Oracle. Give the same importance to Informatica and Oracle. People will ignore Oracle. You should not ignore Oracle. So Oracle is very important. Okay. Oracle 1 hour, Informatica 1 hour. If you are practicing Informatica 2 hours, Oracle also you should practice 2 hours. Please keep in mind, if you are good at Oracle, Informatica is very easy. If you are not good at Oracle, I am there. I'll tell from zero. I will start from what is stable. I'll start from what is stable. You don't need to worry, please. Okay. So please understand, listen, understand, ask the doubts, then finish your training. Okay. Next, the most important thing in this 150 people, we have 150 people in the session. In these 150 people, at least 75 people will be having worries. What are the worries? I don't have communication skills because I am from Telugu. I am from Telugu speaking state. So I don't know proper English. I don't know Oracle. I don't know Informatica. I have educational background, educational gap. I have career gap. I am from civil background. That's why I can't do software job. Okay. These are all the worries. I am from mechanical background. I don't know whether I survive or not. I am from teaching background. I don't know whether I'm surviving. I am a housewife. Okay. From 5 years, I did not touch any book till now. I don't know what is software is. Okay. I don't know whether I will get the job or not. First, wipe out all these worries in your mind. Come to a fresh, positive mind. Just think that I need a job. I need a job. I can do anything to get a job. Anything means how many hours I wanted. I have 2 kids. I can practice. I cannot practice. Yes, I have 2 kids. I'm a housewife. I have 2 kids. Okay. Somehow I joined in this training, but I am unable to manage time. Somehow you please adjust something for 35 days. Okay. I don't know how you adjust. Okay. Somehow you adjust, somehow practice at least half an hour to 1 hour if you have some time. And if you are a guy who don't have any job, okay, that means you are trying for job, then practice 8 hours. Half an hour to 8 hours, please practice. Okay, leave all your worries, please. I am saying for sure you will get the job. Don't worry. Leave all your worries. Communication, yes, it's important, but not like high level English is, see, whatever I'm speaking English for 11 years experience, it is not up to the mark. I'm saying my English is not up to the mark, but this English is surviving many people. Because of this English, many people got getting the jobs because they are liking my English, my simple English, okay, and they are understanding my English, and they are speaking the English because of me. So that's an advantage for me because I won't speak high level English. That is an advantage for me. So what is English means here? Communication skills means whatever you speak, others should understand your language. That is called communication skill. So not like if I want to get a software job, I should hi-fi English, US English only I should get. No, initial stages, normal English is more than enough, but you have to improve it. You have to improve your English. Okay, once you go to the real time, you have to speak always in English. English will come by, communications will come by speaking only, not by reading, not by writing, not by watching movies. Never. English will come by speaking only. So speak how much ever you want. Okay. Speak how much ever you want in English on daily basis so that your English will improve. Suppose a guy is there, he knows very good English. Try to speak with him so that you can understand his words, how he is speaking, and you can learn from him. So speak English on daily. So what I'm saying is, so just leave all your worries, leave all your negativities as of now. In 35 days, don't think anything, don't go anywhere. Sit in your home, open the laptop, do practice. You don't know, I'll be working daily 15 to 18 hours. Maximum I'll sleep 5 to 6 hours, that's it. 5 hours also I'll not sleep in a day. From past 1 year, when I started my training, from past 1 year, okay, May 2025, till now, okay, daily I'm sleeping 5 hours, okay, because, okay, when I have 250 people, 200 people, I need to prepare the resumes for them. They will be asking the doubts in the WhatsApp. If I open the WhatsApp, I'll be having at least 40 messages. I need to reply for them. Maybe yes, Karthik is helping, my team is helping for me, but few questions only I need to answer. He cannot answer. Okay, kind of those questions, daily 20 questions I'll get it. And at least daily I'll speak with 20 people, old batch people, new batch, new people, current batch people, next batch people. And also apart from this, I am doing my office work and I am maintaining my family. I'm spending time with my family. You know, 24 hours is very less for me. In my in whatever I am struggling, whatever I am doing the hard work, in that at least 10% you do. You will get a job more than what you wanted. Okay. So please practice more. That's it. Leave all your worries, leave all your negativities, come with a positive mind. Yes, I can get a job. Means you will get, first, you should have confidence on yourself. Okay. So my friend is saying that Informatica is not good. My friend is saying that 3+. First of all, don't listen to human beings. If you take advices from human beings, you cannot do anything. Don't take advice from your friends. Okay. They know few things, they will add few things, and they will tell you, and you will fear for that. So you joined a very good training, don't worry, you will get the jobs for that. Okay. But when you do the hard work, okay, you should not miss any session. You should not postpone the practicing of today's mapping to tomorrow. You should practice today only. So please practice, leave all your worries. Now, from my training, how many years of experience you can try? You can try for 1+, 2+, 3, 4, 5 also. Till 5 you can try. Few people tried 7 also, they got the jobs. Okay. So these are all about the training. The last thing I want to tell is about the recording videos. Please understand carefully about this. Okay. So the recording videos, the disadvantage of recording videos are, see please, I'm writing here for you. Okay. If I give the recording video, first of all, you will not join the session because anyway you will get the recording video. You will not join the session. Okay. Number 1. Number 2, you will not listen the session because if I don't listen now, I can listen the recording. You will not listen the session. Okay. Number 3, you will always see the video. And practice. This is the biggest blunder you will do. Okay. People will do what? If you see the video and practice, no use at all. No use for your practice. No use for your interview. No use for your real time. When you do without seeing, then it will be in your mind forever. If you see 100 times by seeing one video, practice, there is no use. Number 4, videos are misusing. Okay. These are the problems with this is okay. This I will face this. But these 3, you will face this. Okay. So what I'm saying is, because of, if I give the recording videos, every training will give the recording videos because they don't tell anything. There is no content in the video. If you see the video, without seeing video, what is the use? Okay. But I will give, I told 30 to 30 sessions will be there, or 30 sessions will be there. In this, only 1 to 8 sessions I will give. Strictly, I will give 1 to 8 sessions. Only 1 to 8 sessions videos. Because normally I will not give this also. Why? Because there are so many people who are non-IT people. Okay, they cannot understand at the initial levels. So I wanted to help them. That's why I am giving 1 to 8 sessions only. You will get 1 to 8 sessions recording videos only. After that, you will not get. These 1 to 8 sessions, you can see again and again, and you can practice. Okay, because the 1 to 8 sessions are basics. If you are very good at these basics, if you are very good at these basics, okay, if you are very good at these basics, then 1 second, please. Yeah. So if you understand and practice 1 to 8 session, next 9 to 38 sessions are very easy. If you don't practice these 1 to 8 sessions, then you will not understand 9 to 30th. You will not get a job. So I will provide 1 to 8 sessions. But if you miss any session, if you miss after 8 session, if you miss any one or two sessions, I can provide those only 1 or 2, maximum 2. Suppose you got fever today, you are unable to join. Fine, I'll provide the recording. Okay, but only 1 or 2. That's it. Not on daily basis. Don't ask me the videos on daily basis. I am telling in the first session itself. Okay, I am not telling this on the 30th session. I am not promising you that I promised already that before you paying, I'll give 30 videos. Now you are saying after paying, you will give only 8 sessions. No, this. From start, from batch 1, I am doing the same. From batch 1, I am doing the same. Okay. So don't depend on the, if I give these 1 to 8 sessions, don't see it. Don't see it, please. Try to practice in the group. The groups are very important. Always practice in the group. Don't practice individually. Individual practice takes time. Yes, individual practice also good, but you need more time to understand a concept, to practice a concept. Instead of that, so whoever are free at the time, practice in the groups so that you can easily you can understand, you can easily get on. Okay, a guy is struggling for a mapping for 3 days. He is unable to do it. But in a group, if you practice in 1 minute, he can resolve. Others will resolve your problem. So don't depend on the videos. If I give the video also, don't see it. Keep in mind that without video, but I'll give the notes, I'll give the PPTs. Whatever I say in the sessions, as a notes you will get it, as a PPTs you will get it, everything you will get it. Don't worry about it. Okay. So don't depend on any videos. Okay. I will give the PPTs like this. If you see the PPT, my PPTs are very useful. If you at least understand and practice my PPTs, you will get the job. See this? Each and every PPT is very useful. And notes also. If you see the notes, so very useful notes. See, like this, I will give every notes you will give. It's not small thing. Okay. See the PPT. You will get the PPT like this. Whatever I tell in the session, you will get in the PPT also. I'll show you one PPT to you. Okay, because nowadays everybody has done like that. Okay, what every training I will give the 30 days videos. What is the use of it? If you give 30 days videos, what I will get it? See, if you are unable to concentrate in a live session for 2 hours, if you see the video for 2 hours, you will get a sleep for sure. Simply, you will have, see, I can damn sure, suppose you have 30, I'll give 30 videos to you. 30 videos, each is having 2 hours. I will bet for you, in 30 days, will you complete these 30 videos? Never. You will see only first 2 videos and you will leave it. You will get bored. Because in between, you will get a doubt. Nobody will help you by seeing the videos. If you get any doubt, suppose you are today video I am seeing, you got one doubt. Who will help you? if you see the video. That's why interacting live sessions are always good. Okay, that is why I will always prefer you people to join in the interactive live sessions. Okay, so you will get the PPTs, you will get the interview questions, everything more than what you will expect. I will give whatever you expect, whatever you're expecting. I will always exceed your expectation, more than expectation. Whatever your expectation, I'll give those things. You have to see, please. This is about these things. So every day you will get a PPT on the topic, and you can easily read the topic and revise the topic, revise the interview questions. All those things you can do it. So you no need to worry. So this is all about whatever I wanted to speak. Now it's a time to questions. Tell me now, what questions you have? One by one, please. Yeah. Yes, please. Yeah.
Hi, Raj. Actually, in my system, there is Informatica 10.4 version.
Let it be. Let it be. Yes. More than enough. Let it be.
Okay, then. Thanks for that.
1 second. 1 second. I'm getting a call. Give me a second. Hello. Guys, I am getting 3-4 calls. Please wait for 2 minutes. Just wait for 2 minutes, please. Okay.